Hello student, good morning. In previous video, we have seen the information about coast of Brazil. Today's video, we are going to teach the information about plain in Brazil. Page number 18, lesson number 3rd. So dear student, the plain in Brazil are confined to area, namely the Amazon basins in the north and Paraguay-Paraná basin region in the southwest. So dear student, in the Brazil there are only two plains are there. Plain mean Maidani Pradesh, Maidan. Okay. So the Amazon basin means which area covered Amazon. Okay, they create their plain area due to the depositions of their different type of material. And next plain is created by Paraguay and Paraná basins. Amazon plain line between two highlands from the largest plain land of Brazil. So Amazon basin, okay, जो भी Amazon का जो एरिया है कवर किया है वो क्या ऑक्युपाइड है Amazon plain. This Amazon basin plain is located between two highlands. Do you know which are the two highlands? Brazilian highlands and Guiana highlands. Between two highlands, this Brazilian, or you can say Brazilian plain is located. Amazon plains lying in the northern part of Brazil generally slope eastward. So Amazon plain in the northern part of the Brazil, where it is located in the northern part. Okay, if you will see carefully the map of Brazil, okay, there is a Amazon basin area. So okay, this plain is in the north side, but their slope is where eastward. उसका slope कहाँ पे है? East side. And the Amazon basin is quite wide in the west, about 1,300 kilometer. Thus, you can say the Amazon basin quite wide. It is wide. Okay, wide. Where in this side? Where in this side? In the west side. Where is in the west side? It is very too much wide. Okay, it is not narrow, and their length is 1,300 kilometer, and it narrows toward east side. और ये नैरो कहाँ तक हुआ है? East side. Okay. Its width is minimum where the Guiana highlands and Brazilian highland come closer. Okay, means where the Guiana highlands and Brazilian highlands, okay, between the highlands the width of this Amazon basin plain is very narrow, and it is near about 240 kilometer, whereas we have seen the width of Amazon basin plain is in the west side 1,300 kilometer, but it is very narrow, okay, between Guiana and Brazilian highlands. As the river approaches the Atlantic Oceans, the width of plains increases, and where the rivers, when they, you can say, meet the Atlantic Oceans, okay, there means gradually the width of this Amazon basin plain increases. Okay, there are mostly forested area and largely inaccessible due to the frequent flooding and dense undergrowth. And you know, near the, you can say, near the Atlantic Ocean, okay, there is, you can say, the width of Amazon basin plain is too much large. There are forest area and inaccessible due to the frequent flooding. Okay, and due to the frequent flood, वहाँ पे बार बार बाढ़ आने की वजह से that area is, you can say, it is not, you can say, good, okay, for the residents, and largely inaccessible due to the frequent flooding, dense undergrowth. Most of the Amazon plains are covered by tropical rainforest, and most of the, you can say, Amazon plain, वो जो Amazon basin plain है, okay, it is are covered by tropical rainforest. वहाँ पे किससे बारिश होती है? Tropical rainforest. As you know, in our India we get rainfall from monsoon wind. Okay, and in the Brazil they get rainfall from trade winds. The other plain in Brazil are located to southwestern part of the highlands. Just we have seen there are two plains, Amazon basin plain and next plain is Paraguay Paraná plains. Okay, so next plain is located to southwestern part of the highlands, southwest side. Okay, see there in map, southwest side. They from the source of Paraguay and Paraná rivers, and that plain is made by due to the Paraguay Paraná basin. The source region of Paraguay slopes towards south, while the source of regions Paraguay slope toward the southwest. And Paraguay, due to the Paraguay rivers, okay, their slope is toward the south side, and Paraná rivers slope is toward the southwest. Pantanal is one of the largest wetland in the world. Pantanal, okay, note it down, it is very important questions. Pantanal, okay, Pantanal is a world largest wetland in the world. Wetland, it lies toward the southwest part of the highlands area, and this Pantanal, okay, this wetland is located where southwest part of this both highlands. Which highlands? Brazilian highlands and Guiana highlands. It is region of swamp and marshes in the northwestern, and this means wet. It is a Pantanal is a wetland, that's why this area totally wet. Okay, swampy, वहाँ पे पूरा क्या होता है, दलदल होती है, दलदल. ओके, एंड दिस रीजन ऑफ swamps and marshes in the northwestern माटो गार्सो डू सुल इन ब्राज़ील. ओके, और जो नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न का जो पार्ट है, विच पार्ट इज माटो गार्सो डू सुल इन ब्राज़ील, वहाँ का जो एरिया है, ओके, दिस एरिया इज टोटली स्वैम्प एंड मार्सेस. ओके, टोटली वो दलदली प्रदेश है. एंड इट एक्सटेंड इनटू अर्जेंटीना टू, एंड दिस पैंटानॉल एक्सटेंड टुवर्ड विच साइड? Argentina. You know, it is a neighboring country of Brazil. So okay, so dear student, in this today's video we have learned the plain area of Brazil. So dear student, there are two main plains, Amazon plains and Paraguay Paraná plains, and these two plains are created by these two main rivers. Okay, so dear students, in this video, okay, we have seen about the plain. Next video we will see the next portion of this lesson. Next portion is islands. Okay, thank you.